Hi there, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am super excited to share over the next several weeks short interviews with some of my students. Now, these are students who joined my mini course from Doodles to Dollars, and then they came into my signature program, the Pattern Design Academy. And I think you're going to be very inspired to hear about what they were doing before they learned about surface design and what they're doing a very short time after coming into my hashtag Anne's Universe. I also wanted to let you know that registration is open for my free mini course from Doodles to Dollars. All you need to do is go to members.artwithanne.com/doodles to sign up. I hope to see you there. Without further ado, let's jump in to this week's interview.
So Shirley, tell us where you are in the world.
So I live in a place called Hertfordshire. It's just outside of the M25, not far from London.
Tell us about your creative work. Tell us all about it.
So I'm basically self-taught, although I did return to study late in life because I didn't have a very good education. So I went back to study, I think it was in 1989. I did my first GCSE and my first AS level in art, passed with flying colours. So what I do when I create pictures, I always have them printed, just so that I can see how they scale up.
Yeah.
So that's just one. I'll show you another. Hang on, because I do like really bold designs. So this is another.
Yeah, beautiful. Very bold.
So what I've been doing, Anne, is I've been uploading these to my new website, which will be Shirley Kaci Art and Design.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been adding to each section of the prints.
Oh, so beautiful.
This with some patterns and then like images. This was designed. My mum passed in 2020. And prior to her passing, she never used to like my work at all. She said it was too weird. She started to love my fabric stuff. So I designed this jacket for her. That's the front.
Beautiful.
At the back, it's got the same pattern, which is a placement pattern. Hang on. And then I did this scarf to match.
Oh my gosh, the scarf is stunning.
It's like a fleece. It's so soft.
So soft and warm.
And then we were going to do an official launch of Kaci Kit, which is my clothing brand. And this is my daughter wearing one of the outfits. They're very funky.
Great.
Very, very funky. And to show you the quality of the jacket, we've had our own hangers done. We've had Kaci Kit. This is the label prior to doing all our branding. So that's Kaci Kit. And this is like a satin.
Oh,
it's
beautiful.
Really beautiful quality. I don't know if you can see.
It looks like amazing quality. Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's really amazing quality. Little bit wacky, Anne. I kind of think of the sort of people that I think would really like our stuff are show people, people that are on stage. Just very quickly to summarise where I'm at. I've spent 5 years investing in all the testing. It's important that the quality is good. I'm going to try and... Now I'm at the stage where I really need to concentrate on marketing.
Oh my gosh, so I cannot wait to continue to see how the business progresses. That is spectacular.
Thank you.
Incredible work you're creating.
Thank you.
Follow Shirley on Instagram at Kaci Designs and also pop over to her website, kacdesigns.com. I hope you enjoyed that interview. And remember, if you would like to join my free workshop From Doodles to Dollars, click the link below this video. It's members.artwithann.com/doodles. And I cannot wait to see you there. In the meantime, I always like to say in closing that I am Ann LaFollette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week.